welcome to my vlog. So what I'm about to discuss now is the different instruments and apparatuses which are needed in question document examination. Before we start, I'm going to introduce first myself. My name is Kay Vasitas and I'm a third-year criminology student in the University of Mindanao. The first instrument is the electrostatic detection apparatus. An electrostatic detection device, EDD or ESDA, is a specialized piece of equipment commonly used in question document examination to reveal indentations or impressions in paper that may otherwise go unnoticed. The second instrument is the stereo microscope. The stereoscopic or dissecting microscope is an optical microscope variant designed for low magnification observation of a sample, typically using light reflected from the surface of an object rather than transmitted through it. The instrument uses two separate paths with two objectives and eyepieces to provide slightly different viewing angles to the left and right eyes. This arrangement produces a three-dimensional visualization of the sample being examined. The next instrument is a magnifying glass or a hand lens. A magnifying glass, or also known as hand lens in laboratory context, is a convex lens that is used to produce a magnified image of an object. So, for example, our fingerprints, our footprints, shoe prints, and any other prints. The lens is usually mounted in a frame with a handle. The next instrument is a flatbed scanner. A flatbed is a type of scanner or copier that uses a flat glass surface for scanning documents or other objects, and it can also scan a single pages of bound bundles of documents as well as non-paper objects like ID cards, and they can often scan in very high resolution as well. And most flatbed scanners have an adjustable lid that can be raised to allow magazines, books, and other thick objects to be scanned. The next instrument is the fingerprint scanner. All of us has patterns or friction ridges on our fingers, and it is this pattern which is being called fingerprint. And fingerprints are uniquely detailed, durable over a person's lifetime or an individual's lifetime, and also difficult to alter. So because there are countless of combinations, fingerprints have become an ideal means of identification. So the function of a fingerprint scanner is to identify a person by scanning their fingerprint and compares it against the data of a previously scanned fingerprint. So if the two match, then the security is granted. So for the last instrument, this is the video spectral comparator. This machine utilizes many functions and uses different light sources to examine a document, and it is also used as a forensic tool to check the validity of a valuable document, and it is also used to compare one set of images or spectra up against another. And the VSC has also had a variety of uses in the cultural heritage sector, like analyzing ink or looking for deteriorations in documents. So those are the instruments which are commonly used in the question document examination. And this examination is crucial, especially to the law enforcement agencies, because its purpose is to provide evidence about a suspicious or questionable document using scientific processes and methods, which will later help them in their criminal investigations. So I hope you guys have learned something from what I had discussed to you, and advance Merry Christmas, guys. God bless.